TMO Online Television, its associates and affiliates may not be liable for views expressed on this show. Viewer discretion advised.
Bwanika yaze n'aleteketeso n'agamba nti nze nzikiriza okuteesana mu abaana babate angazi n'aba gavumenti bake. Do you have detained people? Did the court stop working? Did the police stop working? Why do you have
people detained
people? Why has Bwanika been sponsored nga yavuganya president nga tayogera Democratic Party? Is there a person?
I see.
Waabwe kaabwe bakasiba nga basiba n'ow'ekikumi kasajja kaabwe kakati akasajja ako
Abed Bwanika wa munda
ye waabwe wa munda
ate nga
akasajja ako
ati akola kimu
kalina faction ekakozesa mu gavumenti ako ka Bwanika babadde bakakozesa. Bwanika attended in 2006 after the elections State House meeting with the UPC, DP, and they had a man called Tumusimi, Bwanika, and they had the spokesperson with a girl who was working in the Electoral Commission. Bwanika nasala amagezi na nekagenda mu lukungana lwa DP nekogera mbu kagezi. Where is the wisdom of Bwanika?
I see.
I can defeat Bwanika in a day. Taina magezi muchacha akoze muchi kasajja kagezi kogera orotally and the delivery is different.
I see.
What you call oteliki those are different.
People are saying because he's a pastor I know mtima ogwagaliza abantu. That's why kyava yagala atesene Museveni.
Kati yena ali mu spirit. Gashumba nze nali mumanyi yakolaga ne Kano night nakolaga nono musajja kuba kubye military intelligence. Antu tugende wa president. The president nali mumanyi. There is no how Gashumba can take him to the president. But I wanted to expose Gashumba. First, if you say that you took me to the president, it means you are a collaborator. Netugenda ne Gashumba ne yansanga kyengera mu maka gange na I was reluctant mukazi nafukamira ne muga nti ono alimba Gashumba yanjazika ne tai netugende wa Museveni. The way Museveni treated us I laughed. When Museveni looked at me he laughed, he smiled. Nga ono mukazi yatutwalayo yalowooza nti sina contact nani kubanga nze alayiziba nabagamba nti Gashumba kamumalemu akajanja let me go nga kandiho nolwabwogo baagala mu Museveni ayogere ku byuma biwani kati Gashumba yagwa mu ddiiru ye nga alowooza nze sigimanyi. But because we were in Chengera, my wife of Chengera yazalani
Junior.
Kakati ye yomukazi normally they want money. Oganye mukama wako yishija. Oganye atusinga naliza na chari vodde. Anti watu maika ndi Museveni. Nga Gashumba
ya asirika busirisino
no batufiramu. Ye Gashumba yali kudiru. Jatamanyi nganze ne Museveni tumanyiganye yalaba abasirusiru bakimye ebyuma Kusasira tamanyi which faction of government did he use him yalaba ko mukozi
simanyi
banalweyiso abali ba sente banakalima kakati boba kumanyi. If I was Kusasira I would compose a song Sabimanya, like when I say I gambled with my political future. I wouldn't have joined the NRM. I've suffered.
Did you know that online advertisement is the world's 21st century business advert strategy? It's very cost-effective and time-efficient. Advertise with TMO Online Television for the best results. At considerable prices, you can actively engage your brand and optimize your choices. TMO Online Television has the best offers for company advert promo videos meant for real estate dealers, house rental, car sales and rental, agro-marketing, technical services, salons, spas and beauticians, fashion, cargo and logistics, herbal treatments, tours, travel and document processing, hospitality, concerts, events, and functions. Mention it. At TMO Online Television, we have the best, quick and convenient ways meant to reach a global clientele. Call us or send an SMS on WhatsApp number on 0702 81 59 59.